Hi, welcome to my other channel, Aashiedu. Do you know this? I am your teacher. My name is Aashi. Do you know this? I am a YouTuber. And this is the YouTuber school. So I will tell you some number name. Let's tell it.
1 to 50.
1 to 50. So let's write first this. So, so we need to do the first this. This is the same. So here you will do same one.
I.
Yeah, you need to I and here. So I like and some we need to do the two line.
Roman number 2.
Yes, so number 2 just like this. So this will become line 2. And he will become 3 here. So I will put on
Roman number 3.
number 3.
3I.
3I. Look, we need to do this, then this. And if you do this like, so you can do the properly. This is the photo now. So here's come the V and I.
Roman number 4.
Roman number 4. I think it's the I and V. Yes. Really? Okay. I V. Our number 4. And here's the only V. Simple.
Roman number 5.
Roman number 5. You will do here dot. Then you can do to nice. Here you dot. So you can do this. And 6 here will come here. So will be like 6.
Roman number 6.
Roman number 6. We here start dislike. Then I will show you how to this. Now here will be I. 6. Roman number 6.
7.
And Roman number 7. We need the here we need 2. So 7 and 8 3. So we will write 7. So this V that I because I is the nice. This here again and this. So if we put on this line and this line 7. So we will do to the V and V and V. So will we do this, then this, and we need the dislike and this because this is the very state type. So this is the so we will do it again. So this is the number 8, and here's the comes some I and X. Look, I will show you. Here will be 1 and X.
Roman number 9.
Only simple. This.
Roman number 10.
Yes.
H. Yeah.
Now one done.
Okay. Now Roman number 11.
11 is the best.
Okay.
No, it's the so I will write 11. We need the dislike and one. Lower number.
Excellent. 11.
Lower number 11.
Yeah. Roman number 12.
Lower number 12. X.
Yeah.
XI. And lower number 3.
13.
Lower number 13.
XXIII.
X XXIII is the best.
Okay. Now,
So
Roman number
14.
Yeah.
Dislike and I need 14.
XIV. Yeah.
XIV and X
15. Roman number 15.
Roman number 15.
XV. Yeah.
And here will become the 6 here and 4 will become here.
Okay.
So we will dislike.
Okay. 16. XVI. Okay. Now 17. Roman number 17.
Roman number 17. So will we light for 7 first the X and we need the V and we need the 2I
Yeah. XV.
and
I.
8
Yeah,
is
17.
very bad.
8.
18.
18. Yeah.
18 is bad
Why?
because he X and VIII.
Okay. Triple I. Yeah. I mean.
So it's the hard. First X and V triple.
XV. Triple I. Yeah. Now 19.
Nine.
Number 19.
No, 19. So 19 is a little bit hard.
Okay.
And we need the X and one X.
XIX. Yeah.
Roman number 19.
No, Roman number
19.
Yeah, 19. Roman number. Next one.
20.
20. Yes.
20 holy double.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Next one. Roman number 21.
Roman number 21. Oh my god. Numbers, I think that's region and only number. Lighting.
RN Roman number. Yeah. N means number. RN Roman number. Okay. Right, please. 21. Roman number 21.
Okay. We need the X1,
Yeah. Double X.
X2.
22.
No.
Double X. Double I. Okay. And 23.
X. Oh. Actually, somebody's the birthday, so I do to the very fast. I time we do to the U. So I do to the U.
Okay, now 23.
Now.
Double X, triple I. 24. Double X, IV. Okay. 25. Double X, V. 26. Double X, V, I. Okay. 27. Double X, V, double I. 28. Double X, V, triple I. And now 29. Okay. Double X. Okay. IX. Okay. Now 30.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Relax.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god. Now after this the last.
Yeah.
I
31.
am so excited.
Okay.
Now after all night,
I
shall
am
we do
also
to the?
excited.
I am.
Okay. 31. Roman
Okay.
number 31.
Oh my god.
Triple XI. Okay. 32. Triple X. Double I. 33. Triple X.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's also
Now,
so looking 3x.
next number?
4.
No. Next number?
34. 34. 34. 34. 34.
Okay, please
34.
write picture. 34.
And these we need to total the these like flute, and we need to this now another X, and I think I
Next number? 35.
35.
Triple X V. Yeah. Well done. 36. Triple X VI. 37. Please write 37 triple X V double I. Now 38.
Oh my god.
X, V,
Oh my god.
triple I. Okay. And now 39 triple X.
1x.
Yeah.
1x.
IX. 1X. No IX.
Oh my god. Oh my god. There's so many X. No. I think X. XL.
Okay. XL. Please write proper L. Yeah.
Oh my god. She's so many.
Okay. Now, what is this number?
This is 41.
Yeah, 41.
X. Oh, X. XL1.
XLI.
XLI.
Yeah, 42.
XL2.
Double I. X. 43. XL. Triple I. 44. Number 44. XLIV. Okay. 45. Roman number 45.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Roman number 45. XLV. Yeah. Roman number 46.
VI.
XLVI. 46. 47 Roman number.
47. 47 is the best.
Okay.
47 is best. And we need the so
48.
48.
Yeah. Roman number
XL VIII.
Yeah.
And XLII.
Yeah.
And only
XLIS. 50. Yeah. 12. Okay. Now got it, Aashi?
yes.
Well done, Aashi. Well done.
So Aashiedu gave the only how many teacher give the star cameraman. Oh my god, 6 star.
Okay. 6 star for me.
No, me, because I am intelligent.
Okay.
So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Don't if do you want to learn, so like and subscribe to my channel, and bell icon plus and button is subscribe to my